Gyro, the Greek sandwich that you order at a Greek restaurant. I love it. Lamb, tomatoes, onions, yogurt sauce normally on pita bread. Mm. But if you don't get it correct and you say gyro, I am not going to slap your wrist because everyone has done it. Everyone has been embarrassed when you say, "Can I have a gyro, please?" And everyone gives you this look. It's okay. It's okay. You just have to do it once. Someone will correct you. And then you'll never get it wrong again because you'll be too embarrassed. I'm Lily Dubuque. Thank you for watching. I'll have another interesting word tomorrow that won't embarrass you. Don't forget to subscribe.